Hi guys, welcome to my channel, Sugared Coffee for Wrinkles. Have you heard of this mask, or have you ever used it? Let's watch the process of making the mask. To make this anti-wrinkle mask, we need sugar. Now, to make this mask, we'll add coffee to the sugar. Does coffee really help with facial wrinkles? Are there any scientifically proven facts about this? Yes, coffee, caffeine, has been scientifically proven to have beneficial effects on the skin, especially in the fight against wrinkles. Protects collagen studies show that caffeine can slow down the loss of collagen caused by UV radiation. This helps prevent premature wrinkles. Coffee improves blood circulation, revitalizes skin. Caffeine, when applied to the surface, increases local blood circulation, which nourishes these cells. As a result, the skin tone becomes clearer, and the skin elasticity improves. In addition, coffee has an antioxidant effect. Reduces wrinkles. Coffee is rich in powerful antioxidants, such as flavonoids and polyphenols. They neutralize free radicals. These radicals are one of the main causes of the aging process. Caffeine reduces redness and swelling on the skin. Caffeine has anti-inflammatory properties, which reduce minor swelling and redness on the face. This property helps reduce under-eye puffiness and a tired appearance. In conclusion, yes, caffeine coffee has a beneficial effect on wrinkles. It has antioxidant, blood circulation activating, and collagen protecting properties. When used in natural masks, coffee powder or ready-made coffee mixtures have a positive effect on the facial rejuvenation process. Add lemon juice to the mask and mix well. Cucumber. Cucumbers have an astringent effect on the skin. Cucumber juice shrinks the pores of the skin and slightly tightens the face. This reduces the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Cucumbers support collagen production. The vitamin C in cucumbers helps the skin produce collagen. Collagen is a protein that keeps the skin firm and smooth. Cucumbers give the skin a clear and cool feeling. Cucumbers are a natural astringent and soothe sunburned or inflamed skin. This is especially beneficial for aging skin. Summary: cucumbers are a natural, affordable, and effective skincare product that fights wrinkles, moisturizes, soothes, and rejuvenates the skin. Scientific studies have confirmed the antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects of cucumbers. Dear friends, please write in the comments which country you are watching our channel from. It is very interesting to know. Dear friends, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Apply the mask to cleansed facial skin and massage. Leave this mask on your face for 10 minutes, then wash it off. You can try this amazing remedy to tighten your skin, and you only need to use it every day for 5 days to tighten your skin. Dear friends, watch another anti-wrinkle mask recipe. Mix tomato and banana peel. Apply for 5 days to look younger. Tighten facial skin. Mix tomato and banana peel. Apply for 5 days to look younger. Tighten facial skin. Home remedies for wrinkles: banana skin and banana peel for face. Half banana. Banana is rich in vitamins A, B, and E, perfect for glowing skin. It helps reduce wrinkles and fine lines naturally. Banana moisturizes dry skin and improves skin texture. Dear friends, write in the comments which country you are watching our channel from. It's very interesting to know. And if you like the video, click like. Tomatoes remove wrinkles from the face and naturally smooth the skin. Dear friends, write in the comments which country you are watching our channel from. It's very interesting to know. And if you like the video, click like. Honey. Dear friends, write in the comments which country you are watching our channel from. It's very interesting to know. And if you like the video, click like. Orange is rich in vitamin C, which helps brighten the skin and reduce dark spots. It also contains antioxidants that fight free radicals and slow down skin aging. Orange helps boost collagen production, making the skin firm and youthful. Dear friends, write in the comments which country you are watching our channel from. It's very interesting to know. And if you like the video, click like. Its natural acids exfoliate dead skin cells and leave the skin smooth and fresh. It also helps balance oily skin and prevents acne and breakouts. Regular use of orange in skincare gives the skin a healthy glow. Always do a patch test before using it on your. This mask is a recipe for youthful skin. It will help keep your skin looking younger and smoother. Apply this mask to your face and massage. You can apply this mask to any part of your skin. You can apply it to your neck, arms. This mask can be applied in the morning or at night. The best time is in the morning. Apply to your face and leave for 15 minutes, then rinse. Use this mask every day for 6 days. Dear friends, write in the comments which country you are watching our channel from. It's very interesting to know. And if you like the video, click like.